Hi, Daffy. You ready to go for a run? Come on, let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ladies first. Ladies first. Come on. Come on, ladies first. Go. Go. Come on. Here we go on our first GoPro run together. It's going to be exciting. Let's see what happens, okay? You get a owner's view of the property. POV. Come on. Let's get you leashed up. Okay. There we go. Come on, you can drink later. Come on, let's go. Okay. We do this. Whoop, there goes a lizard. We do this every time I'm up here. We go for a run or a brisk walk. Try to burn about 300 calories. Hit my target weight loss. Get down to 185. I'm at about 189.5 now. All right. Here we go. Heading down to the barn from the White House.